Are you looking for the sustainable power solution for your business? Look no further. For over 40 years, Bahmani is the trusted leader in the UAE for producing high-quality diesel generators. They have a team of expert salespersons to cater to your all needs and applications. They use the best diesel engines from the markets. They use the Lorraine Summer alternatives for all their gensets, including the best quality control panel from BAC. They also have the widest range of spare parts for your generators. And if you are looking for solar power solution, they got you covered. When you're looking for another option, when Bahmani is your one-stop solution. They are exhibiting in Middle East Energy Dubai till 9 April. Come visit today.